The goal with this activity is to really work on your lower body, power, and strength. Here's what you're going to do. Get a ramp, get a kettlebell. You want one foot in front, the other foot back. In this case, I'm going to put my left foot back, right foot's going to be forward. The weight is going to be held down just like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a subtle tuck of the hips. Exhale. You're going to do a cheek clean, which is throwing the weight up quick, but you're going to ride the weight on the way down, folks. You're going to squat as low as you can, catching the weight at the bottom. It's going to look like this. And as I throw the weight up, it's kind of forcing me down into the bottom of the squat. I want to try to stay as vertical as I can during. But just throw it up, ride it down. One more. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.